Hi everyone, Beth here with Induction Innovations, bringing you this Tuesday's Quick Tip. Today we're going to go over what comes in your Mini-Ductor kit. While the units may look different, each Mini-Ductor comes with the same components to help you get started. Each tool comes in a pre-molded carrying case for easy storage and transportation. Once you open the case, you will see the tool in the base of the case and a vertical compartment in the top half. This compartment contains the Quick Start Guide, Accessories Guide, Warranty Registration, and the User Manual. You will also see our coil variety pack, which includes the 7/8" preformed coil, the 41" bearing buddy, and the 23" U-form coil. All the contents you find in the kit will help you get started with your switch to induction heat. And that's all for today. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel before heading out. Thanks for tuning in.